Hello friends, welcome to Sunday Page. Good evening. So this is my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe the channel for more updates. So my watch list for next week. So I took almost like more than 10 stocks. So let's see what happened. So in the upcoming stocks, because Nifty gave all-time high as of now. So but still we didn't get much volatility on Friday due to because of GST meeting or whatever things is like. But Nifty has broken the all-time high and not much volatility in terms of the Nifty, but Bank Nifty got huge volatility in terms of morning as well as afternoon session. But when it comes to Nifty, it doesn't get much volatility. So next week, what we are going to do? So what is going to happen in these stocks? So I took a couple of stocks and as well as index. So let's see. So Adani Ports, I took the first Adani Ports. So in a daily time frame, this is kind of plug and fold pattern. The market is taking consolidation almost like from 26th Feb onwards. The market is taking into consolidation exactly market at the resistance level of the box pattern. So and moreover, it's inside the channel also. So we can expect once this is a clear indication of the uptrend side, so bullish side. So once we could expect almost like 820 800 range in the upcoming days. So once we get a very good volatility on the next week. And next, let's see the Parma, the mainly CNC Parma, like index Nifty Parma. The market is in consolidation. Almost the market from past 2 weeks, the market is in consolidation. And started selling pressure from last 3 days, a good selling side from the Parma side. Once this 13,833 breaks, we could expect again 300 points. So definitely Parma stocks, we could expect volatility, a very good volatility in the selling side once this breaks the consolidation. So we can see the Arrow Parma and Piramal Enterprise as the Parma sector. See the Arrow Parma, again it's in sideways pattern. The market is into sideways, broken this resistance and very good side, almost given almost like 70 points on the day. From after 6th May, the market is in consolidation. Clear resistance, I could expect maybe 975 in the daily time frame. Let's see. So because based on the index, we need to come to know. And same like Piramal Enterprise. Again same thing. Because last Thursday given a very good breakout, maybe it retests this line, this key trend line, and maybe goes like 18,000 1,800 1,900 we could expect. So I'm expecting a retest from here. Let's see in this side. And media side, so again the market is into clear upside, that is touching the resistance. So I could expect maybe downside, maybe come down here 1,400. I'm not sure because we need to wait. So once this reflects, maybe Sun TV could reflect in the downside pattern, yeah, and not granules. Hero Motor, it's broken this trend line, might retest here. So definitely head and shoulder pattern given a very good target in the downside. So again symmetrical triangle broken last 3 days. The market has given 2 days very good upside. So taking a retest here, so might touch from 2,990 or 970 or 960. Might go up in upside. And same like Marico. See the Marico, it's a clearly flag and pole. The breakout given we could expect around like 520 500 range in the upcoming days in the Marico side. And Grasim, again see Grasim, it is exactly the key resistance level. As per the Fibonacci retracement level, the market is exactly at 61.8% level. So this is clearly uptrend showing. So let's wait for the weekend, next week stuff. Same like Reliance, again the market has given a very good upside, 6% up. So might come around 2,200 300 range in the clear upside pattern, but we need to wait. So on the upcoming days. And same like Naukri taking a very good resistance. So once there's a key trend line, 4,850 is a key trend line, resistance trend line. So let's see. So market taking consolidation last 6 days. So like 6 trading days. So let's wait. Once May touches the year 4315, might go upside. Yeah.